Name JF-17 Thunder. Date of birth 2003. First flight. Place of birth Joint Project Pakistan and China. Parents Pakistan Aeronautical Complex PAC and Chandu Aircraft Corporation CAC. Personality traits independent, agile, lethal and affordable. Profession material combat aircraft. The JF-17 Thunder was not born out of luxury, it was born out of dire necessity in the 1990s after US military sanctions of Pakistan. The country access to modern fighter jet was cut off. The Pakistan Air Force PAF needed a new warplane, one that would not rely on fusion power. So a dream was born to build a jet fighter with its own hand. In pursuit of that dream, Pakistan partnered with China. The journey was long and complex, but from the blueprint of hope and the fire of urgency, a new fighter emerged. Initially called FC-1, but eventually it evolved into something bolder. 2003 first prototype flight. 2007 inducted into the Pakistan Air Force. The early version Block 1 was functional but basic. Over time, Block 2 and Block 3 brought upgrades, transforming the Thunder into a true modern combat aircraft. Block 1 featured a digital cockpit and basic radar system. Block 2 added air-to-air refueling and night ops. Block 3 a whole new level, stealthy, high-tech, deadly. February 2019, following a tense airspace violation, the JF-17 got its first test of real combat during Operation Swift Retort. One of the Thunder jets looked on to one and shot down an Indian MiG-21 followed by Wing Commander Abhinandan. The world took notice. This was not just a budget fighter, it was a battle-proven beast. Nigeria and Myanmar became the first international buyers. The JF-17 stunned audience and international air shows in Dubai and Paris. More countries have expressed interest, attracted by the jet affordability, performance and independence from Western politics. The Thunder became a symbol not just of air power but of sovereignty. Engine Kilomov RD-93 Russian origin, speed Mach 1.6, approx 1975 km/h. Weapons air-to-air and to air-to-ground missile, laser-guided bombs, international multi-bar cannon. Block 3 upgrades, Asia radar, stealth counting, helmet-mounted tracking, modern electronics warfare system. The personality a symbol of national pride to the average Pakistani. The JF-17 is more than a machine. It represents freedom, it represents resilience, it represents Pakistan's will to rise against odds, against limits. Every year during the national parade, when the Thunder roars across the sky, millions feel a surge of pride. It's not just a jet, it's a flag in motion. Today and tomorrow, a sky with no limits. The JF-17 continues to evolve. Naval versions are under development. Naval variants are being designed for Pakistan Navy. Its role in the defense export market is only growing. The biography of JF-17 Thunder is not just the story of a fighter aircraft, it is the story of a nation that refused to bow down, that turned sanctification into self-reliance and dreams into steel. I am the wing that does not just fly, I cut through shadows. I am the road that announces freedom. I am the JF-17 Thunder. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel.